guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and 2019 is quickly wrapping up. I feel like this year has gone by so fast. And I was saying that back in March. I'm just like, oh my God, it's March. It's March. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it's already March. And then it's June, the year's half over. It's August. Oh my goodness. December flew by faster than anything I have ever seen. And I say this every year. It just seems like it's going more and more quickly. But this year really did seem to race by. And I don't know why, but yeah, I'm looking forward to 2020. 2019 was a wonderful year for me in a lot of different ways, a lot of blessings, a lot of personal growth, a lot of learning experiences, and honestly, a fair amount of challenges. But ultimately, everything has sort of worked out and has made me stronger for it. So I am glad for that. And mainly, I just wanted to make this video to kind of share a little bit about the year as far as my YouTube is concerned, because that concerns you guys, and then just to wish you well for the new year. So I've had my channel about 1 3/4, so not yet 2 years. I started partially through the year before, sorry. And this time last year I had almost 100 subscribers, and I was so excited for that. You guys have no idea. I was watching my subscriber count with every video I post. I post twice a week, Monday and Friday at 5 p.m. And I would post a few videos, like between 1 and 5, before I would get a single new subscriber. And I'd go crazy. I would get so excited for it. It was something that I really believed in. I love DIY. I do it all the time. But I really wanted to branch into YouTube. I wanted to believe that it was something that I could do, something that I could make work, and that the things that I make people would be interested in. So yeah, as challenging as it was, it took me about 3/4 of a year. This time last year I had 100 subscribers, just about. And in the year since, so this year, I have almost 3,000 subscribers. So my channel, while still small, has just taken off like crazy, and that is all of you guys. So I wanted to say thank you so much, because I don't know if I would still be doing it if I was just at, 150 subscribers this year, because that kind of shows that nobody cares about what you're doing. So I can't tell you how excited I am and how thankful I am that so many of you watch my channel and have subscribed and theoretically like the content. So I'm so thankful for that and grateful for you guys. And I've been able to interact with a lot of you via comments, and that's just been wonderful and such an adventure. So I'm really, really thankful for that and really grateful for that. And I'm hoping that it's something that I can continue into 2020, growing the channel, creating better content for you guys, getting better equipment so my videos are just straight up better. That's a goal for 2020, is better lighting, maybe a better camera, we'll see. I still film on my phone right now because that's what I had when I started. I had no idea what I was doing when I started YouTube. If you go back to my earlier videos, you can tell. My first video, I barely could figure out how to splice things together. I took like probably 7 hours to film that, not even an exaggeration, and it's like a 2-minute video. And yeah. I was several videos in before I figured out how to do a voiceover. Like, I didn't have a tripod. I had like a selfie stick that didn't work, that I would like tape my phone to and tape it to a chair. It was an adventure, but it was something that I was really passionate about and excited to try as a venture. And while the first year was crazy highs and lows for me emotionally regarding YouTube, because I was working so hard, and I felt like nobody was seeing my videos, this last year has just been a roller coaster for a different reason. Like, it's insane. Like, I post a video and then I have several more subscribers by my next video. Like I said, I post twice a week, Monday and Friday at 5 p.m. So it's just crazy to like watch that number grow and realize that those are all people who are tuning in and watching my content and watching my channel and liking it and wanting to see more. So that's just, it's incredible, and it's very humbling. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate your support, and you're taking time out of your day to spend it with me. Like, that's just absolutely amazing. And I'm hoping to create better videos and better content for you guys in 2020. Speaking of 2020, like I said, 2019 was kind of a growth year for me as far as like learning a lot about myself and I'm excited for the yearly reset. We all seem to reset at the new year. It's just something that happens. You know, yes, technically it's just another day, the sun rises, but there's something very just reaffirming about like just resetting everything and being like, okay, this is going to be my year. And I feel like 2020 is going to be my year, and I definitely hope that it's your year too. Like, that's what I want for you guys. That is the best I could hope for you, is that you have a happy, healthy, prosperous 2020. You know, I hope that we all have that, and that it's just a good year and a good time for all of us. A lot more joy than sorrow, and a lot more fun experiences, and you know, just blessings in our lives. So mainly I just wanted to take this video to say thank you and to wish you well in 2020. It's gonna be a shorter video. There's no craft or anything. It's just mainly saying thank you. So as we wrap up 2019, you know, I'm so glad to be here, and I'm so glad you guys are sharing this with me. I wish you the best, happiest, safest New Year's Eve, and a wonderful new year. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you in 2020 next year, and yeah, thanks again. Bye for now.